Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Python program to concatenate two lists. So guys, this Python program will help you to concatenate or join two lists using these methods. So over here we are going to check the four methods with the help of examples. So the very first method is using the plus operator. So let us check this with the help of example in VS Code. So guys, let's say we have list 1 over here and we define this list 1 as 1, 2, 3 and then 4. So 4 elements are present in this list 1, and then let's say we have list 2 which is having two elements over here, which is 11 and 12. So over here we say 11 and then 12. So guys, simply we can use the plus operator in order to concatenate the list, just like how we concatenate two strings over here. So simply if we have the result list over here, so let's say if we have the variable name as result, it is equal to list 1 plus and then we say list 2 over here. So guys, this is the expression that we can use in order to concatenate or join two lists, and then simply we can have the print statement and then we can say the result list and then followed by colon, and then we can simply have the result list over here, that is the variable result in this case. So guys, let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, we have the result list over here and it is just one list which is having 6 elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we also have 11 and then 12 in this case. So guys, this is one of the ways in which we can concatenate or join two lists. Now guys, let us move to the other approach, that is using the iterable unpacking operator, that is star. So guys, over here what we can do is simply instead of using this expression we can use another expression as well. So guys, simply we can have the open and close square brackets and then followed by star, and then we can have list 1 over here. So guys, before mentioning the variable that is list 1, we have this particular star that is being mentioned as a prefix, and then followed by comma the second variable name, that is list 2 as well, before which there should be a star character that must be present. So over here we have star and then followed by list 2. So guys, this is another way, that is using the iterable unpacking operator star, using which we can concatenate multiple lists over here. So guys, the result will be stored in this result variable and we will have the result list displayed on the terminal. So let me just save this file now. Before running this code, what we can do is simply we can add some more content in the list 2 as well, so that it differs from the result that was already printed in the previous approach. So guys, let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So as you can see, we are getting one list over here having 8 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 11, 12, 13 and then 14. So guys, this is another approach in order to join or concatenate two or multiple lists. Now guys, let us move to another approach. Over here we can also concatenate multiple lists using the unique values by using the set function over here. So guys, what we will do is we will have certain elements that are common in both the lists. So let's say we have 2, 3 and then 5 and then 6 over here. So guys, 2 and 3 elements in both the lists are common in this case. So what we will do is we will simply have the concatenation but using the set method over here. So guys, as you must be aware, using the set method, what happens is only the unique values will be returned. So in this case, 2 and 3 should be returned only once and it will be stored in this result variable. So the set method will take both the list over here. So inside this we can provide list 1 and then followed by plus and then list 2 in this case. So guys, this is the approach that we have already seen in the first example, that is using the plus operator we are getting the result list, that is list 1 plus list 2, but then it is converted to a set, in which case 2 and 3 will be considered only once, and then guys, this set will be converted back again to the list in this case. So we can provide a list and then this entire expression must be inside the open and close brackets over here. So guys, first of all we are concatenating both the list, and then using the set method we are only getting the unique values, and then after that we are converting those unique values into the list by using this list function and then storing it inside the result variable. So guys, let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So as you can see, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So guys, only unique values are present over here, That's because we have used the set method in order to concatenate and join two lists over here. Now guys, let us move to another approach. The last approach is using the extend method. So what we can do is, using the extend method, we can concatenate the elements of one list into another list over here. So what we can do is, let's say we have list 1 in this case. So we say list 1 and then followed by dot, we have something called as extend method, which takes another list, or maybe it takes another element in order to add it into list 1 in this case. So what we can do is simply provide the list 2 over here, which is another iterable. So when we provide this, what happens is the content of the list 1 will be displayed as it is, but the content of the list 2 will also be added to list 1. And then guys, we can simply print the list 1 in order to get the entire content of list 1 over here. So when we say the result list, we have to provide the list 1 variable in this case. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So as you can see, we have got the result list as 1 2 3 4, which are the elements of the list 1. And then guys, again we have 2 3 5 6. As you can see, 2 3 5 6 are being displayed over here, which is the content of the list 2, which we passed to the extend method over here in order to concatenate both the lists. So guys, these are all the 4 approaches in order to concatenate and join two lists. Please make sure that you practice on your own, so that on different inputs you get different outputs. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is Python program to split a list into evenly sized chunks. So stay tuned.